Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Universe, and I'm currently trying to escape prison. Door open. Go. But I just saw this man. He wasn't level 2 before. Oh, I am not getting caught by this dude. They can't do anything to me, boy. No, put that away! Jesus Christ! I hope that I can escape this dude. It's not likely that I can escape. Oh wait, look, right there. Ooh. My like goal on this video is like 10 likes, please. I like 10 likes on this video. That's it. I will most likely not ever get most likely never get I'm most likely never gonna get popular. Videos not they're just bad. I can't even it's so sad. Villain. Good. One cop. Two cops. Oh, I already know I'm gonna be pickpocketing this one cop. This sort of move may have obviously and robbed like one store. Where's this guy spawned? Where did he spawn? No, where did he spawn? That's odd. Let me find it down. Look at this man. Boom. Here we go. Gotta be after them. You can actually escape now. So that's good. Maybe some more missions. Get my widow maker. Go over here. But I don't have any guns. Like I usually don't escape prison until I get at least one weapon. This time, literally hitting that, getting glitched into a car. What was that on the beach? There's something on the beach. The battery. Is Piggy now? Is Piggy doing a crossover with this game? Yeah, the battery. Generator battery? What do I do with a generator battery? Put it in the comments, please. Because I need to know what I do with these generators. I might just check it up on YouTube after this video. And then the next video. Next video will probably be like after this video. Because I learn what I have to do and then I can just come back. All my videos are gonna be 15 minutes long. That's it. the video editor I use, well, really not an editor because it doesn't let me edit. And I don't have money, so I can't edit it. It's ultimate skills, boy. Look at that skills. You don't know what I do with this. My clothes on, my machete, that, and that. Now it looks perfectly perfect. Beautiful. In the tear of my eye. Look at my guns there, please. This is America. American got their guns. Americans love their guns, boy. Yeah, sometimes my screen just freezes. That's because some thing is trying to download that I do not know because my brother put so many viruses. I got to deal with this. Oh my god. There it is. I will be aiming to get a new computer, so this will only you'll only have to deal with this for like a few months, years, I don't know. See, I will make videos every day. Most likely, like in the evening after school, maybe like a few hours after school, because I'm a school child. They must have. There's 2 1s. What? Jesus Christ. Yeah, there's a glitch that happens with me that I can just literally just walk on and crouch under the lasers without having anything happen to me. I was gonna get my friends in this video, but they never wanted to come. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here, gathering my money, getting the money, yeah, my money, boy, my money, boy. Ooh, coach, cool. Also, the use of my screeching at the bird, at the bean bird, parrot. Don't demonic bug for me. Look at this. People may think I'm using hacks, but I'm not. I took it down. I can't believe I've done this. All around. Ooh, train. I can't. Oh, I'm taking this. Oh, yes, I got this. And yes, that's my parents talking me back in. So I can't edit videos, so you gotta use this. Yeah. You hear my parents calling me in the background. what I have to deal with. So how was your guys' day? Jesus Christ. Ooh, that looks like a hero. Wait, oh yeah, I can just run across the wall. Boom! I am God. Eat more. I can eat more. I can eat some more. Here's the iron power. And then power that I finished one of the achievements today. And call the elevator. Now there's 3. You hear that demonic screeching? That's a bird. That's what I have to deal with. Yep, more demonic screeching. I'm like a bird, not a demon, just a bird. What do you call it, a demon? It's just a hellish creature that I love. It's a cute little buddy. It's a cute little bud that eats children. That bug would literally rip your skin off and say that it was just business. Whoa. Oh my god. There's nothing I can do. There's literally nothing I can do. Right when I say that I can do something, there's no police. Good. There's a lot more. DeAndre. I love destroying property. That's obvious. Not true, but I will maybe upgrade premium when I get enough money. So I can edit these dirty videos. It's sad that you're hating on me. Most likely not gonna hate on me just because I don't have money. But some people will. And it's just pretty sad. I will read the comments sometimes because the only subscribers I have are just people who actually are my friends. So I don't know. Let's see. Train is almost going, I think. Tell me in the comments what games you want to see me play. Because I most likely will leave the... It's just a hero. No, yeah, obviously, it's just a criminal. Yes. Yeah, no. No. Yes. Okay, Grandma. That's what I have to deal with. Can't even edit these videos. I have to deal with that.